Brenton is a business owner. He sells large equipment, and he came to us to build a metal building so that he can store his equipment in. Brenton likes to keep everything stored inside where it stays clean and it's taken care of, so that was important to him. So during the construction process, Brenton had a lot of requests that most business owners would. He was adamant about making sure that the building would fit his particular use for his business, and we were happy to help him with all those. There are some things that can change during construction, and one of the things that changed on Brenton's building was him wanting to change some door sizes and locations, and that was no problem for us.
I came with my own dream, my own design, and they built it exactly like I wanted. I've made changes myself. I've added things. I've added a door. I've done the things that you probably shouldn't do after the building is built, and they had no problem. They fixed it. They added it. They made it work.
This building was one of the larger buildings that we've done recently, and we were still able to get it done in the amount of time that we had promised him.
The selling factor was he gave me the quote, and I agreed that he said yes to everything I asked without saying he couldn't do it. To me, that's what it took.